Hello guys, so today I'm preparing unripe plantain porridge, and first I'll start by cutting my unripe plantain into smaller chunks. So obviously you can see that this video is on fast forward. When you are doing this, please do it slowly and carefully. No go carry knife cut your hand though. Do this carefully and slowly, and then after I finish cutting it into smaller chunks, I'm going to be scraping so that the scraped part can act as a thickener. Then next I'll add my blended pepper, and then I'll add my chopped beef and deboned fish, okay? And then I'll add my meat stock and water, enough water to help the plantain cook till it gets soft. 2 cubes of seasoning, and there we go. Okay, I'm adding my salt to taste. I'm going to be stirring everything up and leaving it to cook up for about 20 minutes. So the meat is just beef that I cut into smaller pieces, and the fish is just a dry fish that I deboned thoroughly, okay? And then after 20 minutes, my porridge is already getting ready. Okay, so I'm going to add crayfish, which I did not add initially. Okay, and then after my crayfish, I'm going to add red oil or palm oil, and then I'm going to stir everything up to mix properly. As you can see, our porridge is already porridging. Okay, I'm going to stir that up. We can see that our porridge is already looking yummy, looking beautiful, and looking delicious. Share gets. Okay, so we're going to stir that up, and the next thing we're going to introduce is our veggies, our vegetable. This vegetable is just normal ugu leaf, normal pumpkin leaf, and scent leaf. Guys, this is one of the most nutritious Nigerian meal out there, okay? I think you should give this a try. It is nutritious, it is delicious, and trust me, you will love it. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. Please do well to press that subscribe button. Just click on that subscribe button right now, okay, if you have not already. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video, and see you in our next delicious episode of Life and Spice with Gift. Give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this, and let us know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe, okay? See you guys in our next video. Ta-da!